Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Mariam at the Boss. This is a recipe inspired by a Korean friend who is also a content creator. He said, Mariam at the Boss, try it, you will love it. So I want to share with you guys. I'm using 3 potatoes, so I'll go ahead and then peel it. I'm using my peeler, but it's not helping. The blade is not sharp, so I'm gonna switch to my knife. If you think you cannot use knife to do this, please stick to your peeler, okay? Yes. It's my first time of trying this recipe. If at the end it's not nice, guys, I'll let you know, and if it's nice too, I'll let you know. So I'm hoping that at the end I really enjoy it. So I'm done with the peeling. I'll then go ahead and grate it using my grater. Please be careful so that you don't hurt yourself. Alright, we are done. So I then transfer that into my bowl. Add water to it. I'm going to rinse it. One thing about potato is that if you don't rinse it, it will turn into brown. So it's good you rinse your potatoes after grating it. Alright, so I'm going to strain that. Just making sure that I get rid of all the water. Guys, I then transfer into a different bowl. Add chili powder to it, just to your taste, okay? Yes, so I then add salt to it, also to your taste. I add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Yes, and then 1 egg. So I'm going to mix all together. I actually saw this on his content and he said I should try it. I will love it. So I'm just giving it a try. It's my first time of trying something like this, okay? Okay, so now I got my oil on fire. We allow it to heat up and then we scoop in our potato. Alright, the first batch is ready, and hearing the sound is going to be crunchy. Yes. And anything crunchy, I'm in for it. Second batch is ready. It smells so good. This is a very nice snack. Well, I've never seen somebody selling something like this in Ghana here. I don't think. Yes, I don't think. Ta-da! We are done. Let's have a taste. It's judging time. Guys, can you hear the sound? Yes, it's very crunchy and I love it. It tastes good. Yes, try it. I love it. You're going to love it too. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.